problem you're trying to solve?
We are trying to build a bridge strong enough for a pullback car to be able to travel a length of 80 centimeters over the bridge.
What are your requirements and constraints?
Amount of materials, bridge longer than 80 centimeters, 7 centimeters wide, and 2 class times to build.
And what are the requirements of materials you have to use?
50 popsicle sticks, 5 manila folders, 6 sticks of hot glue, 10 pipe cleaners, 10 rubber bands, and 10 straws. What led to the final design?
What led to our final design is that we realized that for our base we needed to make it stronger and not add more weight. So instead of putting more popsicle sticks, we put straws and rubber bands underneath it to sustain the base. Also on the sides, we took off the popsicle sticks because they seemed like they were unneeded weight. Instead, we put half broken popsicle sticks on the side and then taped manila folders to the side of them.
How did it start and change along the way, and what were the changes that were made?
Our bridge first started off with having rubber bands, popsicle sticks, and pipe cleaners on the bottom as the base, and the sides being sustained with rubber bands attached to popsicle sticks. But it changed along the way because we changed the sides and the base by adding straws and rubber bands underneath to support the popsicle sticks, and having half broken popsicle sticks with manila folders covering the sides. And what led to those changes is that we believe we could have made it lighter and more stronger by sustaining the base with less materials like popsicle sticks, but instead changing it with straws and rubber bands. This is our interaction diagram. Here you can see forces acting on the bridge and on the car. On the car, there's a force of friction from the car and the bridge. There's a normal force from the car and the bridge, and there's a gravity force from the car and the earth. And there's a normal force from the bridge and the table, and then there's gravity acting on the bridge from the earth. These are all the forces acting on these two objects. Because the cars are accelerating across the bridge, the car has an unbalanced force acting on it because there's a force net greater than 0 and it's not in constant motion. The forces acting on the bridge are balanced because the bridge has a force net of 0 as seen in the force diagram.